In today's video, I am going to teach you how to factory reset your Android phone before we begin. A quick overview: a factory reset wipes your phone back to its original state, removing your apps, settings, and personal data from the device. It's a reliable way to fix stubborn software issues or prepare a phone for a new owner. But because it erases local data, the first thing to do is back everything up. Make sure your photos, contacts, and apps are safely backed up to your Google account. Most Android phones support automatic backups for app data and settings. And photos can be synced using Google Photos if you've turned that on. Give the backup a moment to finish, and don't forget contacts and important files you want to keep. After the reset, you will sign back in with your Google account and can restore from this backup. So be sure you know your login credentials. Next, prep your phone for the process. Charge it to at least 70% and connect to a stable Wi-Fi network. The reset and restore can take time, and you don't want the phone powering off mid-phase process. Keeping it plugged in is a good idea if you can. When you are ready, open the Settings app on your device. Scroll and tap About Phone. On many Android phones, you'll find an option labeled Factory Reset in this section. Go ahead and select it. On the next screen, choose Erase All Data. You'll usually see a summary of what will be removed from the device's internal storage. Your cloud backups remain safe in your Google account. If you are using a Samsung phone, the path is a little different. From Settings, go to General Management, then Reset, and choose Factory Data Reset. You will see a confirmation screen that lists what will be erased on the device. When you are comfortable with that, proceed. To continue, enter your PIN or password to confirm. This is a security check to ensure only the device owner can start the wipe. Once confirmed, the reset begins. It can take up to an hour depending on the phone and how much data it needs to process. During this time, don't press buttons or try to power off the device. Just let it complete. When the reset finishes, your phone will reboot and display the initial setup screen. Connect to Wi-Fi, sign in with your Google account, and choose to restore your apps and data from the backup you made earlier. Follow the on-face screen prompts and give it time to download everything. That's it. Thanks for watching.